Welcome to your daily lifestyle videos update. I'm Zoe, your AI guide. Today, we are looking at the 30-day market snapshot for the city of Markham. The average sales price and sold listings are down for single-family homes over the past 30 days, with average days on the market holding steady at 12 days. The average sale price is $1,700,000. Taking a look at condos, sold listings are also down, but the average sales price is up, with average days on the market down to 18 days. The average sale price of a condo in Markham is $804,000. Don't forget to enjoy one of the mini videos in our blog section here at lifestylevideos.com or the live feed of current home tours. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. If you are looking to buy or sell your home, connect with one of our experts today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.